Good morning, good morning, good morning. And get your hand out your pants. The fuck? Team EMS. I'm getting ready to go to the salon and do some orders today, but I'm finna make some oatmeal.
Oh, I went.
And I'm pretty sure they don't want no oatmeal up in here, but
I do. That's why I was making cereal, but I eat some oatmeal.
Cause you know how y'all know how this house is. They want grits, eggs, and bacon and shit like that every day, and smothered pork chops and shit like that.
Biscuits.
But we eating oatmeal today, okay? Okay. So in my pot, I got a dash of salt, some vegan butter, almond milk, and some water. So see that starting to boil up. We don't want that. Now this is, I made a mistake and bought instant oatmeal by mistake, which I don't really care for, but it actually works out today because I'm in a rush. Anyway, y'all, so that's how this looking. I'm gonna add some more. And then I'm gonna put some of this sugar in the raw in there. And I'll be back when this gets done, y'all. And I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon in there too because bitches love cinnamon. And for some added protein, y'all, I look crazy. For some added protein, I'm gonna put a little bit of, not protein, iron. Put a little bit of molasses in there. This is the molasses that I'm using. Grandma's molasses. Like your grandma say, get the molasses out your ass. And I'm gonna put a dab of nutmeg in there. Y'all, let me tell y'all. So I came up here to do some orders. Oh, he think he look good back there.
I ain't gonna put it on the camera.
Came up here to do some damn orders, right? And recorded Koya doing the ASMR because believe it or not, my ASMR shampooing videos are like my top videos. My microphone ain't working. The shit recording with feedback, but when I use it regular, it worked. Like I'm trying to upgrade my life, and So I'm just ship some orders, y'all.
Me twice.
Huh? I don't give a damn. They ain't aiding you bust down. All right, so I'm finna try again to make these buffalo cauliflower wings, something like that, or whatever. So I tried it before and the sauce didn't stick. So I put aquafaba and water and some wheat flour, and then this is wheat flour and some more seasonings. Y'all, I really hope this come out right. Then the bag of broccoli I bought ain't hardly got no florets in it. It's just goddamn broccoli. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be back, y'all. So y'all, this is how they are looking. Nice and crispy. And I'm gonna use this buffalo wing sauce and this vegan blue cheese dressing. That looks delicious, y'all. Ow. Yeah, I know my taste tester gotta taste it.
Oh, that look real good. Oh Lord, it's falling apart.
Oh, Jesus.
It fell apart. I can get that out of there. This tastes good. Damn. There we go. Well, you did that.
So let me be the taste tester because Troy probably just trying to make me feel
Nah,
good.
ain't no gas. I don't need to gas you up. What sauce you use? It's good, yeah. What that sauce is?
What sauce?
On the buffalo sauce?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
That's good.
It's better than the last one you made. Because you let it.
No. Because I did a wet and a dry batter. Last time, I was being lazy.
So don't be lazy. You can't afford to be lazy. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
That's it, fine. I want to gas you up.
So y'all see my eyes running. My sinuses is kicking my mother ass today. And it just hit me out of nowhere yesterday. I can't keep my lashes on, my eyes running. It's all bad. So I'm about to edit some videos, chill on the couch, and go take me a shower when I get done. This is it, y'all. This is my day, Monday. Monday my off day, but not really my off day because I have to make wigs. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's weird because I was feeling fine, and yesterday I drank some soursop tea that somebody made, but it had been in the refrigerator for like over a week, so I don't know if it was cold. But it was like when I drunk it, my throat started itching, and I don't know, now my allergies acting up. It's crazy.
What?
Oh no.
Talk to your people.
So I don't know, y'all. But all right, I'll see y'all again. I don't know if the next video, I think the next, oh, okay. So the next video after this one will be the silk press completed. Well, I mean, my phone still died, but y'all get to see the silk press.
Damn, cuz, you like, you done got beat up.
All right, huh?